Hello everyone, welcome to the session Formatting Cells in Excel. In this session, the learning objective is to learn different cell formatting options. At the end of this session, we'll come to know formatting cells in Excel, font formatting, change the font color, use the bold, italic and underline commands, text alignment, formatting cells, that is number, border and fill color. Formatting in Excel is a neat trick to change the appearance of the data entered in a cell. In the Excel worksheet, appearance includes font face, font size, font styles like bold, italics, underline, etc. and also includes text color and background color. Now let us see how can we change the font face. When we have a text in a cell of a worksheet, and if you want to change the shape of the text or font face of the text, what can we do? So by default, the font of each new workbook is set to Calibri. However, Excel provides a variety of other fonts you can use to customize your cell text. The steps are: select the cells you wish to modify, click on the drop down arrow next to the font command on the home tab. The font drop down menu will select the desired font. The text will change to the selected font. First select the cell, then click on the cell, click on home tab, then font command in home tab. Okay, then click over here, then select any of these fonts. This I will select Arial Black. Next, let us see how to set the font size, that is the size of the text or data of a cell. We can set it as smaller or bigger in size. In Excel 2007, we have minimum size is 8 and maximum is 72. How can you change the size of the text in content of the cell? The steps are: select the cell which we want to modify, click the drop down arrow next to the font size command on the home tab. The font size drop down menu will appear. Select the desired font size. A live preview of the new font size will appear as we move the mouse over the different options. After selecting the particular size, the text will set to the new selected size. For font size, click here, okay, then go to home tab, then select font command, then here we have the font size box. There is arrow mark, click over here. See, as you move the mouse over here, automatically this size will change. Okay, you can select the minimum size is 8, the last one is 72. You can select. I selected 26 for the marks. Now we already saw how to change the font face and font size. Now, don't we want to change the color? Yes, of course. If you want to change the color of the font, that is also possible in Excel. Now, what are the steps for this? Select the cell we wish to modify. The first step is select the cell we wish to modify, that is click on the cell where you want to apply the color. The second step, click drop down arrow next to the font color command on the home tab. The color menu will appear. As the third step, select the desired font color. A live preview of new font color will appear as we move the mouse over the cell. The last step, automatically the text will be set to new font color. For font color, select the cell, then home, then this option we can use. This is for font color. So click over here, you select any of these color. If you want to have more color, then click over here, select any of these colors which you want here, then press OK. Okay. We can also set directly from here also. Any colors we can set this way. Now let us see the formatting styles. How can we format the styles of the text? Like bold in the sense can be thick one. Then italic, that may be lightly or slightly slanted one. And the underline, that is a line appears under the selected text. The steps are, select the cells we wish to modify. You click on the cell where you want to modify. Then select or click bold, that is a button B, and click italic, that is a button I, or click underline, that is a button U command on the home tab. The selected style will be applied to the text. Similarly, we can also apply the formatting styles like bold, italic and underline using Control and the corresponding key on the keyboard. For bold, we can press Control and Control and key B together, and for underline we can press Control and Control and U, and for italics Control and I. Whenever you press these keys together, the corresponding style will apply to the selected text. Now to set font styles like bold, italics and underline, we can select any of the cell where you want to apply. Select this. Now apply home, click on home, then three buttons are there, B, I and U. B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. Now if you select B, the selected text will become changes to thick color. If you select I, the selected text will become the changes to slanted one. It was like a straight line, now it has become this way. Now the third option is the underline. Now here there is no underline. Now if I click over underline, the text, there is a small line appears under the selected text. Similarly, we can undo all the operation. We can deselect all these process. The same thing can be done using Control and the corresponding key of in the keyboard. For example, now I use Control and B on the keyboard. Automatically text is changes to bold. Similarly, we can use Control and U, Control and I for underline and italics respectively. Next formatting is text alignment. Actually, there are 6 types of text alignment in MS Excel. That is vertical 3 types and horizontal 3 types. In vertical, that is top align, middle align and bottom align. In this case, text are moving in this direction, okay, vertically. So in the next 3, that is horizontal alignment, horizontal text alignment, that is left, center and right. In this case, text is moving horizontally, left, center and then right. Now let us see how to change the horizontal text alignment. Select the cell we wish to modify. You click on particular cell where you want to apply this alignment, then select one of the three horizontal alignment commands on the home tab, that is here either left, center or right. Now have a look here. For the sake of explanation, I change the width of the cell. Select a cell, go to home tab, then select three types of horizontal, either left, center or right. Now if I select left, the text is moved to leftmost side, and then if I select center, it will move to center. Then if I select right, that means now in this text is moving horizontally, left, center, right. Similarly, how to change the vertical alignment? What are the vertical alignment? Vertical alignment are top align, middle align and bottom. So text are moving in this direction vertically. Now what are the steps? Select a particular cell. Select one of the three vertical commands on the home tab, that is top align, middle or bottom. In this case, text is moving vertically. Now whenever you select a particular alignment, the text will realign to the selected option. Now let us have a look here. For the sake of explanation, I change the width and height of the cell. Now first step is select a cell, then go to the home option. This is the vertical alignment, right? Now select this vertical alignment name. Now have a look here, marks will move to upwards vertical. Then if I select a middle, move to the middle, then it is moving to, so text is moving vertically, so it is called as vertical alignment. Okay. It is also possible to have formatting for number also. How to do this? The first step is select the right click over the cell where you want to apply the formatting, then select format cells, and then format cell dialog box appears. So here there are different tabs like number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. Now we click on number option. Then we see the different formatting options for numbers are general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special, custom. These options are available for number format. When option general is selected, then cells have no specific format. When you select number type, this is used to display as numbers. Then currency is used to display as general monetary values. Accounting is same as currency but used to adjust decimal points. Date is used to display date and time. Time is used to display date and time. Percentage to display value in percentage by multiplying cell value by 100 also shows percentage symbol. Fraction to display the value in fraction. Scientific, that is to display value with E symbol and decimal values. Text, display the numbers in text format. As we type, it is not numbers actually, it is in text format. Special, for tracking list and database. Custom, display the numbers in one of the existing codes. There are some predefined codes are there. We can select any one of these. Next, let us see how to set the border for the selected text. So now we can select a group of cells or a single select to apply the border. Now there are three options for the border. One is none, outline and inside. None, outline and inside. So whenever you select this, automatically the preview will appear over here. And different styles also can be applied for the border lines. That may be a continue line or dashed line or a dotted line like this. Now whenever we select group of cells, the cells previews are available here, and if you select this, the border will apply here, and if you select this, border will apply somewhere here, and if you select this, the border will appear here. So this is how we can select this, and this is also possible. We can select any of these option. The corresponding border option will apply to the group of cells in our selected area of the sheet. Then we can press OK button. We saw how to set the font color, that is the color for the selected text or for the selected numbers. Similarly, we can also set color for the background of a cell. How to do this? Now select a cell, right click over the cell, and then select format cell. The format dialog box will appear. In that we have there are tabs like number, alignment, font, border, fill and protection. Click over fill. Then we can see this type of arrangement in this. That is a background color. These different colors can be set, and also we can fill. We can see more colors if you click over here. Then select the required color over here. Then click OK. The selected color will apply to the background of the selected cell. Now let us recall the concept that we saw in this session. Formatting cells, changing font, and how to change the font size, color for the selected text, that is font color, then font styles such as bold, italics, underline, and then alignment either to left, right, center, top, middle, bottom. And also we saw the background color for the cell, that is fill, and border for the cells and different number formats. The source is a first course in computers by Sanjay Saxena, Vikas Publishing. You can find more information in www.wikipedia.com. I am Raghupati, Assistant Professor. Thank you for watching this video.